Do what you feel in your heart to be right. Do what you feel in your heart to be right for. You'll be criticized anyway. Let's talk about something super important today. Have you ever felt torn about making a decision because you're worried about what others might think? Well, here's a little wisdom from Eleanor Roosevelt. Do what you feel in your heart to be right for. You'll be criticized anyway. Follow your heart or follow the crowd. Imagine you're choosing a career path. On one side, you follow your passion and become an artist. On the other side, you choose a more stable job to please others. No matter what you choose, people will have opinions. Friends at a party, someone choosing not to drink alcohol, text on screen, making choices for you. Or how about this? You decide not to drink at a party. Some might say you're boring. But if you do drink, others might call you irresponsible. See, criticism either way. Stay true to yourself. The point is, no matter what you do, someone will always have something to say. So why not just do what feels right for you? Follow your heart, make the choices that feel right for you, and let the critics do their thing. After all, it's your life. Drop a comment if you've ever faced criticism for following your heart. And remember to like, share, and follow for more positive vibes.